Ever wondered why walking into an auto shop can feel like stepping into a trap? You're not imagining it. Most drivers are, because nearly 2 out of 3 Americans don't trust mechanics. And honestly, they have a reason not to. Behind the grease-stained smiles and clipboards, many shops run on one thing: taking advantage of what you don't know. Today I'm pulling the curtain back. We're exposing 12 mechanic scams that drain wallets every single day. And at the end, I'll give you one golden rule that makes sure you'll never get played again. Let's roll. And hey, if you love car tips like this, hit subscribe right now. Let's get started. Scam number 1, the urgent fluid flush. Your coolant looks awful. You need a flush, sounds serious, right? But here's the truth. Most car fluids are built to last 50,000 to 100,000 miles. Yet some shops push you into a flush at 30,000 miles just because it's easy cash. They'll wave around a dirty fluid sample, but it might not even be yours. Unless they can prove it with a test strip or a lab check, walk away. Trust your owner's manual, not their scare tactics about sludge or contamination. A flush can run you $100 to $300, and skipping the unnecessary ones, that's money staying in your pocket. Scam number 2, the terrifying check engine light. That little orange glow on your dash sends panic through every driver, and mechanics know it. They'll say it's catastrophic, maybe over $1,000 to fix. But here's reality: 10% of check engine lights are triggered by small issues, like a loose gas cap. The trick? Mechanics hide behind complicated jargon, oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, so you feel helpless. Here's how you beat them. Buy a $20 OBD2 scanner. Plug it in under your steering wheel, get the code, Google it. Suddenly, you know if it's a $15 gas cap or something serious. That's power. Scam number 3, the dirty air filter show. They pull out a filter caked with bugs and dust and say, "This is yours." But is it really? Some shops keep a filthy filter on standby just to scare you. In truth, most filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Unless you're driving through a desert storm every day, you're fine. Pop your hood, check it yourself, and if it actually looks bad, swap it out for $15 online. Bonus move, snap a photo of your filter before the shop sees it, so you can catch them if they try to pull a switcheroo. Scam number 4, the synthetic oil push. You go in for a routine oil change. Suddenly, they're insisting on synthetic oil. It's better for your engine. Sounds smart, but for most cars, it's just an upsell. 3 out of 4 vehicles run perfectly fine on conventional oil. Unless your manual requires synthetic, you're doubling your bill for no reason. Synthetic has its place, high performance, extreme temps. But if your cap or manual says conventional, stick with it. Don't let smooth talk about engine wear and noise drain your wallet. Scam number 5, the brake pad panic. Your brakes are dangerously low, you could be in danger. Nothing triggers fear faster than that line, but mechanics often exaggerate. Pads only need replacing when they're down to 3 millimeters. Many shops push it 5 or higher just to cash in early. Always ask to see the measurement yourself. If they can't prove it, red flag. Brakes are expensive, always get a second opinion before dropping hundreds. Fear shouldn't dictate your wallet. Scam number 6, the factory-only parts myth. They'll swear you need factory parts or your warranty is toast. That's a lie. OEM parts just have the brand logo, but aftermarket versions are usually 30 to 50% cheaper and perform the same. Unless your warranty explicitly requires OEM, which is rare. You're just paying for branding. Don't let factory-only scare tactics trick you into a bloated bill. Scam number 7, simple fixes at sky-high prices. Cabin air filters. Wiper blades. These take minutes to replace. Yet mechanics charge $100 to $150 for what you could do in under 5 minutes. A cabin filter costs $20 online. Pop your glove box, swap it, done. Wipers, 2 minutes. Don't pay a mechanic premium for something you could do while sipping your morning coffee. Scam number 8, the phantom repair. This one hurts. You pay hundreds for a part replacement and later discover nothing was ever touched. Phantom repairs cost drivers billions every year. Protect yourself, always ask for the old parts back. Demand before and after photos. If a shop dodges that, leave. A good mechanic won't hide the proof. If you're enjoying this, a quick subscribe means a lot. Scam number 9. Your warranty is void. Lie dealers. Love this scare tactic. Skip their oil change, use aftermarket parts. Your warranty is gone. Not true. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects you. As long as work meets manufacturer standards, your warranty stands. Keep receipts, stay organized, and if a dealer tries to deny coverage unfairly, report them. The law is on your side. Scam number 10. Fake products and blinker fluid jokes. Sounds ridiculous, but yes, people get sold fake products. Blinker fluid, overpriced washer fluid, miracle fuel cleaners. The truth, most fuels already contain cleaning additives. Headlight restoration kits, sold for $100. You can buy one for $10 and do it yourself. If something sounds too silly or too magical to be real, it probably is. Scam number 11. The shock and strut upsell. You're at 60,000 miles, time to replace shocks and struts, but parts don't wear out on mileage alone. It's about how you drive. Here's the test. Push down on your car's corner. If it bounces more than twice, maybe they're bad. If it settles quickly, you're fine. Shops push this scam because a full replacement can cost over $1,000. Don't let them label your car a safety hazard without proof. Scam number 12. The free inspection trap. Free inspection? Who doesn't like free? But this is bait. They'll reel you in with urgent repairs you didn't ask for. Example, claiming your belt is cracking. Newsflash, minor cracks are normal, or insisting your suspension is failing when it's fine. Never approve repairs on the spot. Always say, "I'll think about it," then get a second opinion. The golden rule. So how do you make sure you're never scammed? Simple. Never approve work without proof. Demand photos, ask for old parts, get a second opinion. Shady mechanics crumble under accountability. And that's it. 12 scams every driver needs to know. If this video saves you money, hit subscribe and ring the bell, because we've got plenty more ways to keep your car and your wallet safe.